Hello my dear students of Beacon High School. Today we are going to make the birds with a tricolor. For that one, the material which we need a cover of a book. Like this, 3 covers we will need it. Then tricolor papers, green, white and saffron. Scissors, marker and Fevicol. Now let's start the work. First of all, you are going to take the book cover, which is little thick, and you are going to make a drawing of a pigeon on that one with the help of marker. The size will be the same of all the 3 pigeons. In this way, slowly you are going to do the outline of the pigeon. In this way, only the outline you are going to draw, and then with the help of scissors you are going to cut. You are going to cut only the outline of the pigeon, of the bird. While cutting, be careful, you can take the help of your elder ones. After cutting, you will get the shape of a pigeon. Now, after that, you have to take a saffron color first and keep the cutted on the paper, cutted part on the paper, and with the marker draw the outline. The outline should be accurate, neatly done. In this way, we are going to complete the outline. Slowly. And then, after finishing this work, you are going to cut the outline of the paper with the scissors. Like this, 2 of saffron color, 2 of green color and 2 of white color. You are going to cut it and keep it ready. Then take the book. Like this, 2 greens are ready now. Like this, after completing, take the cover part of the book and then paste it on one side. Like this, both the sides you are going to paste the cutted paper. Slowly you are going to do that one. It should not go up and down. While pasting, be careful. Apply the Fevicol neatly. In this way. Okay. Now paste the another side also. Now here